In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to relink media in Premiere Rush. If you've ever encountered the dreaded media offline error when your clips appear with a glaring red box or an alarming exclamation mark, then this video is just for you. Let's dive in and get those clips back online so your project can shine. First, open your project in Premiere Rush. As you glance through your timeline, you may notice some clips that simply aren't behaving, flagged by the telltale media offline indicator. This could be due to the files being moved, renamed, or stored in a different location. But don't worry, we'll fix this together. If you're working on a desktop, you're going to want to right-click on the offline clip. If you're using a mobile device, simply tap on the clip in question. Look for an option that says Find and Connect, or something similar. This is your gateway to making those dreaded red boxes disappear. Upon selecting the Find and Connect option, a file browser will open up. This is where you'll need to be a bit of a detective. Navigate through your computer or external drive to find the original media files. Once you find the file, click on it and hit Open or Connect. This reconnection process restores the link between your project and the media source, effectively solving your problem. Sometimes, if all your missing files are housed in the same folder as the one you've just relinked, Premiere Rush will surprise you by automatically reconnecting them all. This can save you a significant amount of time and effort. However, if they don't automatically relink, you may have to repeat the same process for each offline file. It's a bit tedious, but necessary to ensure your project is intact. After you've relinked all the necessary files, it's crucial to save your project. By doing this, you're committing all these changes, securing your work, and making sure that everything you've done is safely locked in. Finally, it's time to confirm that everything is in order. Play the clip you've just reconnected directly in the timeline. Make sure that the video and audio play seamlessly and that the media offline message has made its graceful exit. And there you have it. Your timeline is now media error-free. With these steps, you'll never have to fear those intimidating red boxes again. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this guide has made your editing process a little smoother. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.